Hi guys, this is the Python series part 27. Now let's discuss about passing multiple iterable arguments to map function. Let's see this example. I have passed two iterable objects. In the previous examples we have seen one function and one iterable object, isn't it? But in this example I have used the two iterable object. Already we have discussed. We can pass as many iterables as we want. Okay, in this example I have passed 2. Just to make sure the function has one parameter for each iterable. Okay, here I have the user defined function sum. So what is the role of this sum? It is used to add the a and b values. Okay, and here I have created the two list objects lst1, lst2. Okay, lst1 holds 5 elements and lst2 holds 5 elements. Okay, here I have used the map function. First parameter is the user defined function, and here I have used the two iterable objects. Okay, just to make sure the function has one parameter for each iterable. Okay, so the first element from the lst1 will be passed as the parameter for this user defined function, and the first from lst2 will be passed as the parameter for the sum user defined function. So what will happen? 2 and 1 will be passed as the argument for the user defined function. So 2 will be stored inside the a variable and 1 will be stored inside the b variable. Okay. So what is the result? 2 plus 1. 3 will be printed. Okay. Likewise, 4 and 3 will be added. Okay. And 6 and 5 will be added. 8 and 7 will be added. 12 and 13 will be added. Okay. The added value will be printed on our console. And the map object will be converted to the list object with the help of the list inbuilt method. Got it? Let me execute this one. Here 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 7, 6 plus 5 11, 8 plus 7 15, 12 plus 13 25. Got it? What is map function? Map function is the inbuilt function. It executes a specified function for each item in an iterable. The item is sent to the function as a parameter. Okay, it returns the iterable map object. Okay, and we can pass as many iterables as we want and make sure function has one parameter for each iterable. I hope you all understood about the map function. Let's see one more example. Here I have created 3 list objects: name, ID, marks. Name list holds Amala, Rani and Priya. ID list holds 101, 102, 103. Marks holds 78%, 98% and 100%. Okay, here I have used 3 list objects. In the last example we have seen only 2 list objects. In this case I have used 3 list objects. This is the function. What type is this? This is the lambda function. Okay. Here we have 3 arguments. What we will get? We will get Amala 101, 78%. Likewise, Rani 102, 98%. And then Priya 103, 100%. Let me execute this one. Here, this is our output. Okay. So, this is the expression. These are all the arguments. These arguments take the values from name, ID, marks respectively. So, we got this output. We can pass as many iterable objects as we want. Okay, I hope you all understood about the map function with multiple iterable objects. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.